How to create and use script shortcut actions. Okay, let's create a favorite script item based on the amount of medication taken per day for a specified amount of days. Enter J01.9 in the diagnosis field. Enter prednisone in the medicine field. Enter take 5 tabs daily for 3 days, then 3 tabs daily for 3 days in the directions field. Click on the heart next to the item that you want to save as a favorite. Enter prednisone 5/3 as the name of the favorite. Use this name to search for this favorite in the medicine field when you want to script this item later. Click on the OK button to save the favorite. Now let's create a favorite script item based on the weight of the patient. Enter Z29.9 as the diagnosis. Enter Marla now as the medicine. Enter take 2 tabs, PTO, daily for 1 week as the directions. Click on the heart next to the item to save it as a favorite. Enter Marla pediatric weight 21-30 kilograms as a name for the favorite. Use this name to search for this favorite in the medicine field when you want to script this item later. Click on the OK button to save the favorite. For your convenience, you can search for favorite meds in the medicine field to script them. Use the Add Favorite Meds button to view all favorite meds, and to script multiple favorites. Select the favorites that you want to script. Here in the selected area you can see which favorites have been selected to be scripted. Click on the Save button to script the selected favorites. Next we'll mark this script as a repeatable script. This feature is used to create a patient script favorite. This is used for scripts that are often prescribed to a specific patient but are not chronic scripts. For example, the patient is a skateboarder and often loses skin, and you always prescribe the same combination of pain medication. Now check the Reputable checkbox to mark this script as a repeat script so that it can quickly be found in the previous scripts area. Click on the Print button to complete and print the script. Use the Script Easy Event button or select the script event from the Forms library drop-down to create another script. Click on the Previous Scripts button at the top of the script to view all past scripts for this patient. The scripts are ordered from newest to oldest. Every script is labeled as chronic, acute or repeat. Scripts marked as chronic are scripts that contain chronic items, and scripts that have been marked as repeatable will be labeled as repeat. All other scripts will be marked as acute. The repeat label will take preference over the chronic label. Click on the Load More button beneath the previous scripts to load more previous scripts. Check the Expand All checkbox to expand all of the scripts. Here you can see all the scripts have been expanded. Uncheck the Show Acute checkbox to hide all acute scripts. Uncheck the Show Chronic checkbox to hide all scripts with chronic items. Uncheck the Show Repeat checkbox to hide all scripts marked as repeat. Click on the Repeat This Script button associated with one of the scripts to add that script's script items to the current script. When the inline history setting has been activated for your user, then you will be able to see the previous 5 scripts for this patient below the current script, with all the functionality that the previous scripts button has. The scripts are ordered from newest to oldest. Every script is labeled as chronic, acute or repeat. Click on the Load More button beneath the previous scripts to load more previous scripts. Uncheck the Expand All checkbox to minimize all of the scripts. Uncheck the Show Repeat checkbox to hide all scripts marked as repeat. Uncheck the Show Acute checkbox to hide all acute scripts. Uncheck the Show Chronic checkbox to hide all scripts with chronic items. Click on the Repeat line button associated with one of the script items to add it to the current script. Click on the Add to Current Script button associated with one of the scripts to add that script's script items to the current script. Next, let's look at signing a script electronically. Click on the plus under the doctor signature heading at the bottom of the script to add an electronic signature. Then click on the Edit button to upload a signature. Now click on the Load User Signature button to upload the signature that is set up in General User Settings. Next, enter the PIN that you set up in General User Settings. Then click on the OK button. Now click on the Save button to capture the signature. Click on the Print button to complete and print the script. Click on the Save and Close button to save and close all work done on this booking.